Hello my dear students, again I would like to welcome you on this e-learning class. Previous video we discussed, we solved exercise 3.1 based on addition. Today we will see subtraction. This is the one of the operation, fundamental operation, right? This is very important. So many students are confused in this subtraction. Today I will clear your doubts regarding subtraction. Okay, by taking different examples. Okay, last year in 4th standard you have subtraction up to 5 digit, 6 digit number. This year again subtraction up to 7 digit, 8 digit, up to 9 digit number we'll have to subtract. Right? Some basic things are there which is very important. First we will see subtraction without regrouping. Without regrouping. What is regrouping? Without regrouping. Right, we'll discuss. But before that, I have to give you one example. Okay, we'll continue. Let's take example. For example, and write ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakh place. This is very important. Initially, this is very important. We should draw columns. Without columns, no one will add or subtract or multiply. Understand? Last year also I taught you. First draw the column and then add, subtract, multiply, whichever that. But this is very important. Why this is important? Because you are not habitual to write ones place down ones place, tens down tens, 100 down 100, and likewise. And if you miss a place of a particular digit, then your whole problem goes wrong. Understand? That's why for practicing, you need to draw first columns. Understand? See. You have to draw this with pencil, with soft hand means and use faint pencil. Right? Don't use HB pencil. Right? H to H. It's a faint pencil. Okay. First column we have to leave for carry, whichever that. And in second you have to write. Let's take one example. 59 lakh 47,379 minus 12 lakh 24,138. Now, see what we are doing? We are subtracting smaller number from the bigger number. So obviously we are writing bigger number up. Right? This is subtraction without regrouping. Understand? In regrouping there is no need to take borrow. Understand? The bigger number, bigger term, we call it as a minuend. What we call it as a minuend. And the term or the number which we are going to subtract from the bigger number, we call it as a subtrahend. Subtrahend. Subtrahend is which number we are subtracting from the bigger number, and bigger number is called, from which we are subtracting, we call it as a minuend. जिसमें से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करने वाले हैं उसे minuend कहते हैं, एंड जो टर्म हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे that we call it as a subtract. Understand? Let's see. 9 minus 8, 1, you know very well. 7 minus 3, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. And 9 minus 2, 7. 5 minus 1, 4. So answer is 47,23,241. This answer is called difference. Understand? So minuend, subtract, and whichever the answer is, that we call it as a difference. Understand? Now after this I will tell you how to check whether your answer is right or wrong. For this is called a checking method, verifying method, whether our answer is right or wrong. How we will find out? Okay, for that we will have to add these two, subtract and difference. If you add, subtract and difference, we will get minuend. Let's see. One space or else I will show you here. 8 plus 1, 9. This is a verification method. How to verify? Subtract plus difference. We will get minuend. This is the formula. Understand? Let's see. 8 plus 1, see 9. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 2, 4. 7 plus 2, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. Understand? You will get minuend. Means our answer is right. By this method you can verify. Okay. This is subtraction without regrouping. Now we will see subtraction with regrouping. Okay. Understand this one. Now subtraction with regrouping. Here we will have to take borrows and all. See. Leave one line, one row for borrow. Then let's say example 7,39,403 minus 1,24,524. Now see, this is subtract, this is minuend, this is subtract. Which answer will come? That is difference. Now 3 minus 4 possible? No. 4 minus 3 possible. 3 minus 4 no. So what we are doing? We are borrowing from the neighbor. went to his neighbor 0 and asked, "Arey 0, give me some money, I need it." What he said? 0 is nothing. 0 said, "Okay, I will give you." But he also don't have no. 0 is 0. So he went to his friend, his neighbor, and asked, "Borrow me, give me some money. I have some work." So he went to him. Here is a 4. 4 donate 1. That is here 3. To whom he donate? 0. Instead of 0, 1, 10. Can he keep the one which you are given with him? No. उसने उसके पास रखा नहीं, उसको देना है. So he wants to give him, borrow him. So here 9, 3 becomes, he gave only 1 to this, so 3, 1, 3. This is 13. So it is possible now. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 possible? Yes. 13 minus 4, 9. So here 9. Now 9 minus 2, 7. 3 minus 5 possible? No. Now he needs. So he went to his neighbor and asked, "Will you please give me some money? I need." 9 is a quite rich person. He said, "Okay, I will give you." So he donated 110. So here 9 become 8 and these 3 become 13. So 13 minus 5, 8. So 8 minus 4, 4. Any borrow? No. Now 3 minus 2 possible? Yes, 3 minus 2, 1. 7 minus 1, 6. Now put commas proper. First 3 digit comma, then 2 digit comma. 6,14,879. Now tell me. Verify. How we are verifying? We are adding these two. Subtract and difference if you add, you will get this number. Let's check. 9 plus 4, 13. 3 carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 4 carry 1. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 1, 7. Understand? Right? No? So answer is right. Got it? Now understand this subtraction with regrouping, how to borrow. Got it? Now let's see the properties of subtraction. It's very easy. In addition, we saw we can change the order of a numbers or digits. See, properties of subtraction. The order of numbers cannot be changed in subtraction. In addition, we saw 23 plus 4, 23 plus 4, 27. And 4, if we change the order of a number, 4 here first and 23 then also the answer will be same. Means if we change order here, order property of addition. But in subtraction, we cannot change the orders. Let's take example. 3400 minus 1200. You can subtract 3400 minus 1200. You can subtract like this 0, 0, 2, 2. But if you change the order, we cannot change the order. See, if you change the order, 1200 minus 3400, is it possible? No. In subtraction, we can subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Understand? That's why here the order property of number involves in subtraction cannot be changed. Understand? This is one property. Now another, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. For example, 4392 minus 4392. What will come? 2 minus 2 0, 9 minus 9 0, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 4 0. Means if we subtract number from itself, the difference is always, difference means the answer is always 0. Understand? So this is another property. Next property, when 0 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the number itself. Let's take example. 5392 minus 0, 2935. What is the answer? The number itself. Means this property is, if we subtract 0 from a number from a 0 now, this is not possible. 0 from a number, the difference is, or the answer is the number itself. Understand? This is the third property. Understand? So I hope you will understand this one. Next video we will see exercise 3.2. We will solve exercise 3.2. Okay? Thank you.